Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you, and more specifically show you and tell you how to lock a spray sunscreen cap and unlock it too. These will be easy instructions. So once again, the topic of this instructional video tutorial is how to lock a spray sunscreen cap, just like this one right here, and also how to unlock it too. These will be easy instructions. So most people don't know this, but when you are using spray sunscreen on the cap, you can actually lock the cap. This is used as a safety mechanism, obviously for, like, you know, if you want to prevent kids from spraying it, or if you want to prevent pets from pushing it, or if you just want to prevent it from being pressed down when it's in your purse or your bag or your luggage or anything like that. It's a safety mechanism. And most people don't know this because they just spray it, they don't really think about it. But on the top, it actually says lock over there, and it shows a direction to turn the spray cap. Okay, so essentially, if I follow that direction, which says to turn it on this one, when I'm looking at it, it says turn it clockwise. So if I take it and I turn it clockwise, I can take it from being unlocked, where I can spray it right now. Whoop, I got some on the camera. It's all good. I can take it from being unlocked, where I can spray like that, and I can twist it once, twice, and now it's locked. Take a look. I can push it down, I can mash it down, it's not gonna spray. Literally that simple. And then to unlock it, you just twist it 2 clicks in obviously the opposite direction. 1, 2. And then you can see the nozzle again. To lock it, twist it one way. Some might only be 1 click, but in this case it's 2 clicks just to be certain, basically. And to unlock it, twist it the other way. And that's literally it. That is how to lock and unlock a spray sunscreen nozzle cap. Easy instruction, simplistic tutorial. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. It's a built-in feature on these spray sunscreen bottles, at least the ones that I've seen. Really useful, and I use it all the time, to be honest with you, because I have 4 young kids. I don't want any of them spraying the bottle or anything like that. And when we travel, you know, we put this in the luggage, and my wife puts it in her purse. We don't want it just, you know, going on all of her belongings and stuff like that. But that's essentially it. That is, I can't even speak. I'm so dehydrated. Look at this. I'm actually really thirsty, so I need to go get some water right now. I went for like a 3-hour walk and I started filming videos right away. I need some water. But anyways, I meant to say that is essentially it. That's actually it for this video tutorial. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. I tried to keep it short and sweet and give you a little bit of storytelling along the way. If you like this video, instructional video tutorial, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. See, it's locked. It's locked. That's why I didn't actually spray. Anyways, we're gonna roll that outro one more time. I know this was probably about a 1.5-minute video, but the outro made it so long. But we're gonna roll it again because there's bees buzzing all around me and I just want to finish this video. So we're going to roll it one more time. If you like this instructional video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.